Welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today in this video we have done something kind of special, something kind of different. So this isn't going to be a cooking video, but we went and we gathered up 10 different types of Indonesian snacks and we want to try them for you guys.
Today we went to this place on the side of the road that sells a bunch of different snacks, and they had a big variety of different snacks.
Yeah, a lot.
A lot. And Ibu Sri, she helped us, because we don't know all the names for all these, so she helped us know like
what they're all called.
Yeah, what they're all called.
Because we've eaten some of these before, but there's a lot that we don't know the names of, and there's a lot that we've never tried.
Most of them.
Yeah, most of the ones that we picked to show to you guys today, we've never actually eaten.
Nope.
All right, so number 1 is Sosis Bakar. This one right here. It's like a hot dog. And then I love the way that they cut the hot dogs here.
Yeah, it's really cool.
They cut it into a spiral like that, and then they heat it up over a fire and then add sauce to it. And usually you have the option of like a sweet sauce or a spicy sauce. So I don't know what this one is, but this one's called Sosis Bakar. You ready? But it's not warm. It's definitely cold.
Yeah.
It's really, really mushy.
Yeah.
I bet it would be good if it was warm, but these are definitely cold.
Yeah.
So that's not my favorite.
No.
But I can't even really taste the sauce, can you?
A little bit.
I don't know.
It's a little, it kind of tastes almost like the, like if you eat dried ramen noodles, the seasonings.
I don't know. Okay, moving on. Number 2 is
Lapis.
Lapis. So this is...
Oh, this is lapis?
Yeah, this is lapis. And lapis means layered. So as you can see, there's like a brown layer and then a lighter layer like white. And it's really rubbery.
Yes, very rubbery.
Really, really rubbery. But it's not falling apart.
No.
And then
it's together well.
Yeah, and it's wrapped in this plastic here. So, wow, it's like Jell-O, guys.
It's crazy.
Huh. It smells a little chocolatey.
Yeah, so chocolatey, sweet, and it's very sticky. Like my fingers are sticking to it.
And I could actually, I can pull the layers apart like that. That's cool.
Just pulled 2 layers off.
Yeah. You ready to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
It kind of has a Play-Doh-y smell. We were actually playing with Play-Doh this morning, and so that's what this smell reminds me of. I haven't ever eaten Play-Doh, but
Good.
it's pretty good.
Yeah. Very jiggly.
Yeah, but it has a really, really light flavor.
Yeah.
Really light. But yeah, that's
not
good.
much flavor, but it's good.
That's a good one. I like it. I like it.
So number 3, we have Kue Sus.
Kue Sus. Okay.
It's cool how she baked these because it looks like kind of like a flower design on top.
Yeah, and I don't know what sus means.
I'm pretty sure these are filled with like a creamy,
like a cream puff,
yeah,
maybe.
like a cream.
Cream puff.
I'm not sure what that is, but okay. So
oh yeah, so look, inside it's got a custard, like a custard filling.
Yep.
And this is actually kind of rubbery too, the cake itself.
Ready?
Smells sweet.
You
ready? Okay.
Good. Really good. This is my favorite so far.
Me too. I like this one. I'll eat again.
It's good.
That one.
It's really good.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up for sure on that one.
Yeah.
Kue Sus.
So far that one's definitely my favorite.
Yeah. Yeah, so it is. It's like a custard inside of it.
Yeah, I have had this one before. I've actually had all 3 of these before. But the next one I have never tried. Tahu Sarang Burung.
Oh yeah, so number 4. Tahu Sarang Burung.
Which means egg, bird's nest.
Yeah.
And it kind of looks like a bird's nest, and there's a quail egg right here in the middle.
Quail eggs are really small.
Yes.
So it's a bird's nest with a quail egg in the middle. Oh, and look at the backside of it. The backside actually has like a flower print.
Yeah.
So it must have been the thing that they cooked it in.
Yeah.
Had that on it.
And we actually made a video, quail egg soup or something. It'll be up there.
Over here.
Over there.
But this is, tahu is tofu.
Yeah.
So this is made out of tofu, the nest, and then it has the egg inside of it.
Yeah.
It also looks like it has some vegetables and stuff too.
Ready?
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. It's
So
kind of okay.
Red.
I think you could kind of do the same thing with the egg, like make it like an omelet. But they use tofu, and yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, so it's tofu with some carrots.
Yeah, carrots.
And then a quail egg.
Yeah. I think these would actually be really good if it was hot.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I give that one a thumbs up. I'm really looking forward to this next one. This is our number 5.
Number
And what
5.
is it called?
Cantik Manis, which is like
Cantik Manis.
pretty sweet.
Cantik means like pretty or beautiful, and then manis means sweet. And so you can see this one has a pink color to it.
Pink and purple, and then it has a banana slice in the middle.
A banana slice right
really
there.
cool.
Yeah. So let's unwrap this one.
This looks like it's gonna be really sticky.
Wow, yeah. This one's really rubbery as well, just like the lapis.
Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Look at that.
It's kind of wet though. It's like a lot wetter. I'm gonna try a bite with the banana.
Okay.
There's like no flavor.
Yeah. Yeah, not my favorite.
This is not gonna get a thumbs up from me.
No.
There's like no flavor. Even the banana didn't have a flavor. So it's pretty. I agree it's pretty, but sweet. I don't know that I agree that it's sweet.
It is sweet, but there's no flavor.
Thumbs down, I think, for the Cantik Manis.
Okay, guys, we're halfway through already.
Whoa, that's too fast.
Yeah, we're going really fast. Okay, so number 6 is Onde Onde?
Onde.
Onde Onde.
These ones right here. This is Onde Onde.
There's sesame seeds on top of it, or all around it, I mean.
Yeah, a little round ball.
So yeah, I've actually had these before.
Have you?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Ibu Sri made them.
Oh yeah.
These are really good.
yeah.
I really like these.
Yeah, so like Seth said, there's sesame seeds all around it. What's inside? There's probably something. Ooh, I can feel something rolling around in there. There's something in there.
Ready?
You want to eat it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is that?
Oh. It was really, really chewy.
Yeah.
Ooh. And the stuff in the middle is really dry. Yellow, dry something.
Yeah.
But I don't know what that flavor is.
Me neither. Yeah, I've had stuff like this before, but there wasn't any stuff inside. It was just bread.
Yeah.
And it was a lot less chewy.
Yeah, I don't really know. This is just okay to me.
I like the outside, but the inside, dry stuff.
It's really dry.
Weird.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Unless it's maybe a nut. Like
I don't know.
Crushed up nut.
Maybe. I like the sesame seed wheat outside. Bread just came out.
So far though, the Kue Sus has been my favorite.
Yep. Okay, number 7. Nagasari Pisang.
Nagasari Pisang.
These are wrapped in banana leaves.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, they do a lot of their traditional things wrapped in banana leaves. And then this right here, they keep it closed or keep it sealed with a bamboo
toothpick
like
stick.
Yeah, little stick skewers in there. So banana, pisang is banana.
Uh-huh.
So let's open it up and
Huh.
see what we got.
Cool.
What is this one called? Nagasari
Pisang.
Pisang. So it's a lot of banana leaves there. And then I got a little triangle of something. Yeah.
Somethingness.
Probably a rice. This is probably rice. And then inside is the banana.
Probably. Ready?
It smells sweet, but I think that's because of the banana leaf. And then it has this color, this like kind of greenish color, but that's also from the banana leaf.
And white. Gray, green,
Yeah,
white.
this is probably sticky rice.
Probably.
You ready? Yeah. You took such a small bite. I took a big bite to try to get to the banana. But I didn't get any banana, so I'm gonna open it up and break it open. Oh, there's the banana. I'm gonna try this, the banana.
Broke mine open and found my banana too.
The banana's really good.
Yeah, there's not much like banana in here. It's just like
It's like a little
slice.
tiny piece of it, like an inch. Yeah, but there's a lot of rice. There's like a lot of this.
Yeah.
So, this is okay.
This thumbs down. Still the page. Kue Sus is my favorite. Okay, number 8. Right? Yeah, number 8. Klepon.
Huh?
Klepon.
Klepon. Oh, we've had these ones before.
Yes, we've had these
This one
quite
is-
a bit before. These I really like.
Yeah, this has
Coconut on the outside.
It comes with a toothpick, so
Yep.
you can poke them.
Skewer it.
And then it has coconut on the outside of them, like shredded coconut.
Yeah, shredded coconut, and then what's the green stuff? I forget.
I don't know for sure.
And then on the inside of that green stuff, there's brown
Liquid?
sugar.
Oh, really? I don't remember.
Oh, I thought there was.
I don't know. Right? Oh, you already ate one.
Oh, really good.
I want to break one open because I want to see what's in the middle of it. Because it's like there's like a liquid inside.
Yeah, I think there's some like liquid brown sugar thing in there.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a liquid. So
Yeah.
you bite into it and
Oops.
it's like wet and cool.
Yeah. It's good. I like it.
You can have mine.
Oh,
Those are not my favorite.
they're really good.
I like the coconut, but I don't really care for the sticky green thing.
Yeah, so my top 2 so far are these, Klepon and Kue Sus. Or Kue Sus.
Kue Sus.
What are your favorites?
So far, only the Kue Sus.
Okay, second to last one. We're on number 9, Mutiara.
Mutiara.
Or crown. Isn't that called crown?
Yes,
Mutiara?
a crown. So these ones are actually really, really pretty.
Yeah, they're super pink.
Mutiara.
Pinkish purple. And
She
there's-
also said that this could also be called the same as the Cantik Manis. So I don't know if this is like the official name for this one or not, but she called it Mutiara.
My staples didn't want to open, so the bag just ripped, or the plastic ripped.
This one's sitting on a little banana leaf.
And there's a little banana leaf
Cut out. Yeah.
Oop, I just ripped mine.
Yeah, so they put a little banana leaf on the top. Whoa, look at these ones are
Really
like,
sticky.
wow, these are like little
they-
tapioca balls or
Yeah,
something.
they have tapioca balls in them.
Wow, I wasn't
Break it
expecting
open.
that.
Nothing in the middle.
No? This one smells sweeter than the
Yes.
Cantik. What is it?
Cantik Manis.
Cantik Manis. Yeah, this smells sweeter.
Ready
but-
to try it?
Yeah.
Again, no flavor.
Yeah, there's not much flavor. It's super sticky though.
Super. And I think there's tapioca balls in those.
Yeah, I think so. But yeah, that one doesn't really have much flavor at all to it. And there's nothing hiding in the middle either.
Nope. I already ripped mine open too.
But yeah, that's really sticky.
Really. Last one, guys.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Last one.
Lumpia Sayur.
Lumpia. lumpia. So this is like it's like a rolled out. It's like a kind of like a thin tortilla.
Yeah.
And then inside are vegetables, and then they deep fry it.
Yeah. We've actually had these before.
We've made them before.
Yeah, we have?
Yeah.
If I can find that video, then...
No, not on this channel.
Oh.
I just mean like at home we've made them.
You want to try them?
Yeah.
Oh. Good.
Wow. You have to chew that a long time.
Yeah.
You can see the vegetables inside now. There's carrots. I can't see what else though. I'm gonna rip mine open so we can see.
Carrots, maybe.
What else?
Beans
Carrots, cabbage. Hold on, I'm gonna empty mine. Maybe only carrots.
Yeah, it looks like just carrots. Carrots and maybe some shallots.
Yeah. I don't know. This one only looks like it actually has carrots inside of it.
Oh, good though.
Yeah.
Really good. Whew.
That's my second favorite now.
Yeah, my favorite two are the Lumpia Sayur and the Kue Sus.
Yeah, me too. Those are my favorites too.
Really good.
I know. I think I'll finish mine too. I don't really care for the ones that are just like sticky rice like this.
Yeah.
Like that, or the Mutiara. Like those aren't really my favorite very much. I love the lumpias. Of course, the Kue Sus. The Tahu one, the Burung, Sarang Burung. That one's really good. I think I would really like this one if it was hot. Like if it was fresh, like I would think I would really like that one.
I don't really like it just because I don't like Tahu.
But if it was like an omelet instead of Tahu, you can make them like that, and that would be really good too.
That'd be good.
I just don't care for the sticky rice very much. Mainly probably because there's not a whole lot of flavor. Like they're pretty bland, so.
Yeah, just a ball of stickiness.
Well, that was fun, and now we know several more names.
10 names for 10
Indonesian
traditional snacks
or cakes or goodies.
Yeah, I really like these.
Yeah, and thanks to Ibu Sri for teaching us all of these names this morning. And yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, really good.
Well, thanks you guys for watching again today. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next week for a new video. We hope you have a great day.
And keep smiling.